Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. Some guy named Unknown Author wrote that little nugget. The old children's song puts words to what many of us feel. A good friend, especially a longtime friend, is worth their weight in gold. But college is a new phase of life. Even if you go to a college near your hometown, your college experience won't mimic your high school experience, and making new friends is critical to enjoying this new life stage. You might even find that the friendships you make during college are as valuable as the degree you earn. So today, we offer a few tips on how to make friends during college. Let's get to it. Here are some timeless tips for making friends. Since the advent of social media, much about the world of friendships has changed. It's easier than ever to connect, air quotes there, with people across the country or even across the world. You may even consider a person you met gaming or a public Discord to be one of your best friends, even if you haven't met in real life. But classic tips on making friends will help you even in today's day and age. Look up from your phone. What? It's easy to be glued to your phone everywhere you go, but you can make basic connections by exchanging pleasantries with people you see in your daily life. Say hello to your hallmates. Ask your coworkers about their pets or their kids or their crazy neighbors, or introduce yourself to people in your seminar class. You might be surprised how many people will look up from their phones to get to know you a bit better. You, like a real person. We can do this. Feel free to initiate. So unless you're house hacking, you probably don't have a lovely home where you can invite people for dinner. That doesn't mean you can't initiate a get-together. Take advantage of free and low-cost resources available to you. Invite people to the library to study, or just to meet in the rec center to play a game of basketball, or to your dingy apartment to order pizza before you go to an improv performance at your school. A simple text with a time and a place is typically enough to initiate a friendship. Follow through. This is so important. If you agree to do something with your friends, follow through with it. Sometimes a friend is just going to need a shoulder to cry on. Sometimes you all just need to go hit the dance floor. Your couch may sound more appealing than 18 holes of disc golf, but you're going to get more laughs out on the course. You'll rarely ever regret following through on a commitment to your friends. Don't rely on one person to meet all of your friendship needs either. Most people don't need dozens of close friends, but you probably need more than one or two. Your friend from the school choir may love belting out classic Broadway hits in the car with you, but they probably aren't the same friend you will get up, or who will get up, before sunrise to hike to a local vista on a Saturday. Cultivate friendships with as many people as seems reasonable to you. You might be surprised how much you have to offer to the people that you meet. Find people with shared interests. Yeah, I know some of the easiest friends to make are just the people who share an interest with you. You become friendly with these people for one reason or another. People who regularly work the same shift as you at your workplace may become fast friends, if only due to the shared craziness of customer service or the mind-numbing boredom of stocking shelves all day. These work friends give you a reason to show up to your job, other than just a paycheck. If you get to know them outside of work, you may even keep a friend when you realize you earn more from your side hustles than from a part-time job. For college students, though, study buddies are another candidate for a friend with a shared interest. During your first or second week of class, you might realize that you and a classmate always leave your seminar and head straight to the dining commons. If you work up a few moments of courage, you could ask to eat with this person and share some notes from the lecture, or you could invite a few people from the class to the library for an evening study session. Get their phone numbers and send out a reminder text a few hours before the study session. In the worst case, you'll be a bit better prepared for your next quiz or test, but more likely, you'll share some late-night laughs while getting dirty looks from other library patrons. Oh, I love dirty looks in the library. If you've got fitness or health goals, Finding a workout buddy is just another way to make a friend. You don't want to do the freshman 15. I did that. It's tough. Just don't. I'm still trying to lose the freshman 15, 30, 35. When you notice someone from your hall coming in from a workout or working up a sweat at your school's rec center, just ask them if you can join them for a workout a day or two later. Assuming they agree, follow up with the text, the follow-up is so important, and enjoy a new workout buddy. Teams and clubs are another great way to make friends for a reason. You and everyone in the organization should share a common interest or a common goal. College campuses, including community colleges, tend to have dozens of campus organizations that allow you to enjoy a range of activities and on a budget. The substance of the club matters less than the fact that you'll meet new people who have a shared interest with you. If you're not sure what you like to do, just try a few clubs. Test out a cooking club, an outdoor club, intramural sports teams, a political organization, or a campus religious group. No matter what type of club you join, be sure to build in time to linger after club meetings or practices. So you can get to know club members a bit better. If a few members seem like fun, arrange a social opportunity before or after your next meeting. You might be surprised how quickly a shared interest and a shared sense of fun grow into meaningful, long-lasting friendships. Friends for a reason will likely come and go throughout your college career. It's true. Your class schedule, your fitness goals, interests, all going to change, and your friends are probably going to change too. An injury may put a stop to your marathon training, and you'll likely stop going for Saturday morning long runs with your school's running club at the same time. Your Spanish 101 study group is likely to break up once the semester ends. Although these friendships may be temporary, they do add an important element of fun and enjoyment to your daily life. Cultivate your active friendships. So between work, classes, studying, and applying for scholarships, you might not have a ton of time for investing in your friendships, but college friendships offer more than just a bit of fun. Your friends may become your social safety net. You'll help them when they are at their lowest, and they will lend a listening ear or a helping hand when you need it most too. So while joining clubs, initiating shared study schedules, or regular workouts are great ways to meet more people, you're unlikely to develop those close relationships and friendships with all your friends for a reason. Cultivating these types of friendships takes time. It means going out of your way to spend time with your friends and showing up when your friends need you. It also means letting these friends know when you need their help. Often, these close friendships develop through months or years of regular gatherings. Standing friend dates can be a great way to cultivate deeper friendships. Cooking and eating together once a week can be a great frugal way to enjoy time with a few friends. Walking or hiking together is another great way to meet up regularly. And these mundane get-togethers, though, can lead to plans for more memorable fun. While you might forget Tuesday's chicken teriyaki, you'll never forget the 3-mile hike that was actually 14 miles long, or the time you managed to find the best hot dog stand in the world, or your ill-conceived attempt to break the world's pogo sticking record. You know, those things. Your crew may never read the book for your book club, but you'll enjoy a ton of laughs and a few good snacks as you discuss what you learned from reading the book's cover, which is most of what you need to know in the book anyway, right? Don't be afraid to actually start making friends. Making new friends is rarely easy. Even social butterflies often feel nervous when they don't know anyone. When it comes to making friends in college, don't worry about becoming friends with everybody you meet. Try to just make a few connections. Find ways to spend time around people every day. As you get to know people a little bit better, proposing a get-together won't be as daunting. And remember, very few people are maxed out with friends. And I don't mean social media friends. And that is our show for today. Very helpful, very practical things if you're heading off to college. And if you want to find out more, even become online friends with us. Maybe we can share some more tips together. Find us on social media. We're everywhere. It's at The College Investor. Just search and you'll find us. Thanks again for stopping by today, and we'll talk to you again real soon.